Acha. Basically, I'll make you learn first in prime factorization method. Okay. Then by using common multiples. Okay. Now, what is the full form of LCM? Acha, put the date first. Give heading LCM. It means least common multiple. Least common multiple. I am explaining one question. Suppose we want to find the LCM of 4 and 12. Okay. 4 and 12. Acha, no need to write this one. This 4 and 12 I am explaining. At first try to understand. Okay. Farzana, Oishi, all the students at first understand. Anjum, look at this. 4 and 12 to least common multiple. Oishi, common means which one is in both. You asked me now look at this. Multiple is given. So individually we have to find the multiple of 4. Multiple of 4. Just write multiple of 4 means what? 4. If we count the table na 4, 8, 12, 16 in this way. Yes or no? Noras? Shirin? Sharanya? Anubhav? Yes to? Acha, okay. That means multiple of 4 means 4. Then 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are 16. 4 5s are 20. 24, 28. In this way it will move. It will go on. Now up to which place we will take? Up to which number we will take? Okay. Just I am taking up to 28. Okay. Now look at this. Multiple of 12 we have to find. Multiple of, no need to write this, just try to understand. Multiple of 12. Yes, though. Anubhav, I cannot see you properly, and Sharanya, keep your camera on. Look, 12 means what will be notice? 12 1 is 12, 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36, 12 4s are 48 in this way, 60 in this way, it will go on. Yes or no? Yes, though. Okay. Slowly, Nodas. Okay. Acha. Now look at this. Least common multiple. At first, we have to find out common multiple. Look at this. Common multiple is which one? Look, here is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, and it is going on. Acha, here look, 12, 24, 30. Acha, look at this. I am taking red ink. Huh? Look, this 12 is in both of them, na? Yes or no, Oishi? Now common means you are getting the point though. In both of them. Acha. Next, look, 24 is also in both of them. Yes though. So these are called common. Pratibha got it? Okay. Now least. Least means what? Least means the smallest. The smallest. Acha, now how many multiple are there? Common multiple 12 and 24. Yes though. Now between these two, which one is least? Least. The smallest. Which one? 12 or 24? The smallest one. Say 12 or 24. Shubhangi? No, Shirin, no need to say. No need to say, Shirin. Vahia, don't say. Shubhangi, which one is the least? Yes. Nushaiba, yes. Good. 12. Shubhangi, good. 12 too. So that means this is the LCM of 4 and 12. So the answer will be the LCM is 12. Got it? Understood too? How to do? Everyone? Vahia, Shampriti, Ankita, Trisha, Raiza. Okay, good. Mousha, Afrina, Sushnata, Paushali. Understood? Acha, okay. Meheria, Ashia, Shornakshi, Mohammad Saim. Okay, Parijat, Rajpreet, let me take the name. Just confirm. If you have understood, then confirm. Okay, Ashmit, Enakshi. Somdatta, Muhammad Nahid, Moushim, Bonosri. Acha, okay, beta. Oishani, Obipsha, Farhan, Malik, Sheikh Irfan, Shaud Lashkar. Keep your camera on, then say. Then say, okay. At first, keep your camera on. Oishani, Obipsha, keep your camera on. Okay. Now, one more process is there, huh? That process I'll explain right now. Ha, Oishani, yes, say.
I am not Oishani, I am Avipsha.
Ha, yes, Obipsha. Say, beta.
Ma'am, our camera is automatically off.
Acha, okay, no issue. Have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now look at this. By prime factorization, which one you will do? In your exam, if the question is coming from LCM, okay, you will follow this method, the prime factorization method, not the common multiple method. Okay, now I am explaining the prime factorization method. Right, give heading, prime factorization just wait for a minute. Let me. Now it is okay. Are you able to see this? Prime factorization method. To find the LCM. Okay, now write the question. Find the LCM of 14 and 21. Find the okay, now how to find the LCM by using prime factorization method. Sharanya, are you writing? Sharanya, writing or not? Acha, 14 and 21. Put comma, okay, and make the stairs. Already prime factorization method you know. By making the stairs one by one. I explained this in class now. Trisha, Enakshi. Prime factorization means you will have to take prime numbers. Yes or no? Prime factorization means you will have to take prime number. So Ashia, Meheria. Yes. Okay, look at this. Now which prime number we have to take over there so that both numbers will be divisible by the number. Suppose we are taking 7, huh? 7 is a prime number, Parijat. 7 is a prime number too. Okay, Raisa, then 7 2s are 14. First we will have to do this one. Then 7 3s are 21. Yes to, yes or no? Afrina? Acha, okay. And between these two numbers, put the comma. Okay? Got it? Now look. These 2 and 3, both are prime number, na? So just you can stop here or you can do this one. Take 2 again. 1 and this 3 will remain as it is. Again you can take 3. This one will be as it is. 3 1 is 3. Up to this all of you understood? Paushali, Trisha, Pratibha, Ankita, Shampriti, Vahia. Anubhav, Shubhangi, Nusaiba, understood? Okay. Acha, Oishani, Obhipsha?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, as your camera is automatically off, you will respond okay by saying.
Okay, ma'am.
Acha, both of you to Oishani, Obhipsha?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Farzana? Pratibha got it to? Okay, okay. Acha, Anjum is there? Acha, okay, now look at this. So, what will be the LCM? What will be the LCM? Now, look at this. LCM is equal to, we have to just multiply all this thing. Okay? 7 into 2 into 3 into, then if we multiply, if we take this 1 or if you don't take, no issue, na? You can take, or suppose you want to take up to this, then also correct. Sorry. So 7 2s are 14 and 14 3s are 42. So the answer is LCM 42. All of you got this? All of you? Noraz, Shushnata, Shirin, Ankita. Inakshi, Sampriti, Raiza, understood or not? Mousha, Paushali, Afrina, Meheria. Mohammad Saeed, Mohammad Nahid. Rajpreet, Shaud. Bonusri. Okay. Acha, Maushim, Somdatta. Maushim, understood? Acha, good. Sharnakshi, Anjum, Sharanya, Pratibha. Anjum, understood? Sharnakshi? Okay, beta. Acha. Shulagna, Shayun Shashmal, Ashik Mullah, Farhan Malik, Sheikh Irfan. Keep your camera on. Sheikh Shail Jamal, Wajid Rahman, Deeptashi, Anushka. Keep your camera on. Shoykot, Shomudif, Arhan, and Asjadul. Acha, okay, now look at this. Next one I am doing, huh? Enakshi, sit properly, beta. Noraz, what happened?
Hello, ma'am.
Say.
Hello.
Noraz, I can hear you. Say.
Hello. Now I can't hear you. Now I want to tell.
Acha, Noraz, I'll come back to you. Just wait. Afrina, Noraz, wait. I'll come back to you. Each and every one, huh? First, let me complete some questions related to LCM, okay? Second one, find the LCM of 20 and 25. These all are from book, huh? Page number 80. LCM of 20 and 25. This one exercise B, number D, okay? These all are from book. Acha, now which one? Shoykot Bera, sit properly. Shulagna, which number we should take so that both the number will be divisible? 5, na? 5 we can take, okay. Acha, always take prime number, huh? Take prime number. Acha, suppose we are taking 2, then also it will be okay, but 25 will not be divisible by 2, na? So that's why take first we'll give the priority to that number which one divide both of them. Acha, so what will be in this place and in this place? Say, if we divide 20 by 5, 5 4s are 20, na? So that means this 4 will be there. And if we divide 20 by 5 to this 25, 5 5s are 25, na? So this 5 will be there. Yes or no? Afrina, Shahil Jamal, understood? Just shake your head, Shahil. Okay, okay. Acha, now this 4 is not a prime number, na? It is composite number because 2 2s are 4. So we can take 2, huh? 2 2s are 4. Basically, if we stop here, that one is also correct because these are co-prime. Okay, but as we are breaking into prime factorization, so complete the whole procedure. But 5 will not be divisible by 2. So 5 will remain as it is. Now 2 1 is 2. This 5 will be there. Acha, one thing let me say, if you stop here, that one will also be correct. Okay, I am just completing the whole procedure until we are getting 1. Got it too? Now write the LCM is, both are correct. If you stop here, okay, then, but after doing that one, you have to multiply, huh? LCM will be 5 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 1 into 1. Now find the answer. What will be the answer? 100. Trisha, multiply this one, huh? This one will be 100. Completed up to this? Swarnakshi? Acha, okay, done to. Now let me solve the next one. Next, I am taking 175. 175. Let me clear it. This one is number E. 175. Acha, this one also first, which number will take? Raisa, which one will take? Look, 100, there is 0, 5. 5 though? Good. If we divide 100 by 5, then what will be the quotient? 5 2s are 10. This 0 will automatically be there, na? That means 520. Yes, though? Acha, okay. And for 75, just do make a division here. By 5, if you directly cannot do it, just make the division. Huh? 5 1 is 5. 2 will be there. This 5 will be there. 5 5s are. That means 5 15. Yes, though? Acha, okay. Now, again, we have to take 5. 5 4s are 20. 5 3s are 15. Now the same thing, we can easily stop here, then multiply this 5 into 5 into 4 into 3. Or as we are breaking into prime factorization, you can complete the whole procedure. 2 2s are 4. Ultimately, this will be same, huh? As co-prime. 3. Got it? So the LCM is equal to, Achha, I'll take that 1. Okay, let us take, huh? By 2, 2, 1 is 2 and 3 is not divisible by 2. So it will remain as it is. Now by 3. Okay, so LCM 5 into 5 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 1 into 1. Yes. Now multiply this one. Find the answer. First, say the answer. Enakshi, you will say the answer. Acha, not Enakshi. Wait. Farhan Malik is there. Farhan, multiply this and say the answer. Okay. 5 5s are 25. No, Inakshi, you are not going to say. Okay, Farhan will say the answer. 25 into 2, 50. 50 into 2, 100. 100 into 3, that will be 300. Yes, to? Is it correct, Ankita? Okay. Now the next one. Acha, by taking two numbers we have done. Now let me take three numbers. Take 12, 18 and 36. 12, 18 and 30. It is also from your book. Acha, all of you completed up to this. Then I'll erase this. I'll clear the screen. Have you completed? Confirm it.
Ma'am, we have not
Shayad?
completed.
Acha, okay. Shayad, Mohammad Nahid. Mohammad Nahid, what are you doing? Show me your copy. You are not doing anything, na? Anjum? Okay, okay. This one will be done. Yes, Anjum. It is okay. Acha, Ashia, Anushka, Shakir, your camera on. Wajid, Shaud Laskar, Rajpit, Sharanya. I am telling for so a long time, keep your camera on. Otherwise, I will have to remove you from my class. Moshe understood this one? Acha, okay, beta. Shoikat, Ashif Molla, Shayon and Rajpit. Understood? Okay. Now let me do the next one. By taking three numbers, okay? 12, 18 and 36. 12, 18 and 36. Acha, all are even number, na? 12 even number, 36 even number, 18 even number. So which number will take, Sharanya? 2. Prime number 2 we can take, okay. If we divide 12 by 2, then what will be the result? 6 2s are 12, na? So it will be 6. Acha, if you divide 18, then 2. Say 2 9s are 18, na? Sharanya? Okay. And this one, just you can divide in the rough. 2 1 is 2, then 1 and this 6. 8 2s are 16. Got it? So it will be 18. Yes or no? Acha. Sheikh Irfan, what are you doing? Acha, Anjum, now which number will take? Look, all the numbers are divisible by 3, na? 3 is their common factor. So we can take Shoikat, we can take 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 6 are 18. Yes or no? Anjum, Ashif, okay. Now look at this. The numbers are different, na? If we take 2, then this 2 and this 6 will be divisible, but this 3 is not, na? Not as. So what to do? No issue. As it is LCM, no issue. Okay. Always give the priority to major. Majority will give the priority. Okay. That means, look, 2 and 6 take 2. 2 1 is 2 and this one will be 3 2s are 6. Okay. So what will be for this 3? This 3 will remain as it is. Understood? It will remain as it is. Shoikat, Anubhav, understood? Okay, beta. Now again look, 2 3s are there, na? So let me take 3. Yes. Swarnakshi, say.
Yes, ma'am.
Got it to understood or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sushnata? Acha, now
I
look
have
at this.
understood.
Okay, now multiply this one and say the answer. Is equal to. Acha, no, Sushnata, Swarnakshi, you are not going to say. Acha, Afrina, say the answer. Afrina.
Yes, ma'am.
Say the answer, the multiplication. 2 3s are 6. Yes, to 6 2s are 12. 12 3s are 30.
36, ma'am.
Exactly, 36. Anubhav. Acha, now all of you understood. So now I am going to unmute one by one. Okay. If you have acha, this one probably I, number I. Okay. In from the book, page number 80. Acha, tomorrow I'll start fraction and also I'll complete some LCM extra question. Okay, from the book. JKL is left from the book too. So I'll complete that exercise B and then I'll start fraction. Okay. Got it? Now let me. Acha, now one by one